Falcon 9 has entered startup.
And there we heard that Falcon 9 is in startup and the autonomous flight computers have taken over the count with both Falcon stages pressurizing for launch. We're just waiting for our launch director, or LD, to give the final go for today's mission.
LD, go for launch.
And great news there, LD is go for launch. So let's sit back and watch as Falcon 9 launches the Starfall demo mission.
T-minus 30 seconds. T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon and go Starfall. Vehicle is pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds into flight, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. Now we're currently throttling down the M1D engines to prepare for max Q, which is the point of maximum
Power telemetry nominal.
And good call out there for good telemetry. We're currently throttling down the M1D engines to prepare for max Q, which is the point of maximum aerodynamic stress.
Vehicle is supersonic.
For maximum aerodynamic stress on the vehicle, and max Q is reached when the air density of the atmosphere decreases faster than the increasing speed of the rocket.
Max Q.
And there's that call out for max Q. We've also got some wonderful views of the Florida coast as Falcon 9 ascends. Now we're going to have several events coming up in quick succession, starting with MECO, followed by stage separation, and then second engine start, or SES-1. Main engine cutoff, or MECO, is when all 9 engines on the Falcon. And there we heard conclusion of the Falcon 9 booster's entry burn. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we will be attempting to recover this booster with our drone ship, a Shortfall of Gravitas, which is currently stationed in the Atlantic Ocean.
Stage 2 terminal guidance.
You should see that landing burn on the Falcon 9 first stage startup in just under a minute from now. As a reminder, you can follow the telemetry at the bottom of your screen. As those engines ignite, you can look at the bottom right-hand side, and you can also see the speed and altitude on the left. Now, as that burn happens, you'll see a drastic decrease in the speed and altitude as the booster comes in for a soft touchdown on the drone ship.
Transonic.
MVAC shutdown.
You should be hearing that call out for landing burn startup in just a few moments from now.
Stage 1 landing burn.
And there's that call out for landing burn startup on the Falcon 9 first stage. And again, this is the final burn that this booster will execute leading up to landing.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And great news there.